Fun fact: why newborn often make noises? Because their digestive systems are still developing, and they may have difficulty passing gas or bowel movements. Additionally, their nasal passages are narrow, making breathing and feeding simultaneously challenging, which can lead to grunting sounds. It is usually nothing to worry about, unless accompanied by other concerning symptoms like fever or extreme fuzziness. He looks so cute and ready to have his picture taken now.
Like and subscribe!